smooth, man. Come on, you hurt yourself. You look like a roast chicken. That was a lucky shot. Foley artistry at work, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Everybody up here today is going to be a Foley artist as we had sound effects to the following movies: Peter Pan, King Kong, and Evan Almighty. So this will be fun. A lot of times when we record sound effects, we store them digitally. I have a whole bunch here in this computer I can have easy access to throughout the presentation. Actually, it's in the computer. You're both lucky. What is your name?
Joseph.
Joseph, come on up here. When you see this light come on, you're going to be the sound of King Kong approaching. I need big footsteps from you like this. Okay, so that's not a button or anything, but once you see the light come on, just give us that effect. Go ahead and try it a couple times. Cool. When the light comes on, keep doing that until it goes off. Watch your light and have fun. Your name?
Brett.
Brett. That's a cool name. What's your name? Isabel, that is your light. When it comes on, you're going to be Tinkerbell flying around with the Peter Pan. You're running your finger up and down these chimes back and forth until the light goes off. Okay? Watch your light and have fun. Your name? Larry, you're the ADR guy. You know what that is? Additional dialogue replacement. You add dialogue to the scene that may not have been recorded on the set. Okay? So when your light comes on the first time, you read line number 1. Look out! Behind the wall! It says scream. Please do just that. Don't kill yourself. But keep screaming until the light goes off. Light will come on a second time, you read line number 2, it goes off. Light will come on a third time, line number 3, and etc. Read line number 4 into the mic so we know that you know what you're doing. Actually, you know what? For line 4, you're Tinkerbell. Okay? So your attempt to take it up was awesome. Can you go higher? There you go. Regular voice for everything else. What was your name? Larry. Awesome. What is your name? Taylor. Taylor? Oh, you lose. Turn right around and finish. When this light comes on, you guys are taking us to the end of Evan Almighty. Everybody's rushing up the gangplank into the arc, so we need footsteps from you like this. All right, the three of you keep it up until the light goes off. Should be about a half hour. What's your name? John, when I point at you like this, you turn on crash box. Just like so. Sound of stuff falling off of the shelf. You can use that wheel right there to get the job done. Keep spinning it until the light down by your feet goes off. All right, this is going to happen with Tinkerbell's flying around. Can you hear Tinkerbell? Watch me. You guys out there have something to do as well. When the wall sign lights up, it's time for background noise. I need yells and screams. Give me a taste of it. Go! Awesome. But you want to keep it up the whole time the light is on. Stop when it goes off. Microphones are picking up everything. Brett, that's your light, buddy. When it comes on, we need a roar that will shake these people in their seats. Let's hear it. Not a grr, like a menacing roar. Like roar. Roar. That'll do. Watch your light. That goes for everybody to watch your lights. You're watching me and John. Okay. Everyone else, watch the big screen. Here comes a little stuff we like to call Foley magic.
Look out! Behind the wall!
Scream. Good. Smash! Destruction! Water!
Oh no! Get everyone on the ark! Now! Get on the ark! Get on the ark!
Rascal choreography.
Oh no! Oh no! We got to get these people out of here!
That was good. That was good on your part. I just didn't hear it come through the house audio. Did it come through the house audio like my microphone? No, yeah, we're getting that from the booth too. So, thank you. We're cut. But here's the deal. We need that roar. But we can redo, well, not everything. We'll redo your part. So guys, just watch. All the sound effects we just recorded will play with the clips. Gotta have that roar. Brett, come with me. Because the sound goes back here, all right? Set yourself up right there next to the mic. Put the headset on. When I cue you, just roar huge, all right? We'll do your part live. We'll do it live. Everything else we recorded. See how it plays with our clips as we present our masterpiece. Here we go. All right, Brett, you're good there? All right, we're good.
Okay, behind the wall.
Nice, Larry. Very feminine. Smash, destruction, water.
Oh no, get everyone on the ark. Now, get on the ark. Get on the ark. Hooray! 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 Hooray!
Did you hear yourself? You were great.
Whee! I'm flying! Whee! I'm flying! Whee! I'm flying! Whee! I'm flying!
What action did you care about that, Larry? All right, big finale, get ready.
Oh no! Oh no! We got to get these people out of here!
Nice. And Brett, go. Much better. Better than before, right? All right, now you're screaming like a girl, dude. Cut. Cut. Come on. Brett. Brett. Go the other way, dude. Go the other way. Body's flushing. Go see if he's okay. Give it up for our surviving volunteers, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, he's okay. Give it up for Brett surviving the game. Matt lives as well. One last sound effect, please.